Okay, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your keyboard sound like close to what the pros use, like their switches, and this will even work if you have a membrane keyboard. For example, I don't know if you can hear it, but this is what my keyboard sounds when I spam crouch. They are silver switches, and they're very nice, don't get me wrong, but I would like to make them sound like blue switches, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Okay, now I'll be showing you how to download the software to use. What I'm going to type in is Mecha Vibes. It's your browser, but I also will put the link down in the description. Then once you're here, you want to press download, press all releases, press download now. Then once the timer goes down, it should download here. Don't worry, you won't get any viruses, it's all safe. So yeah, just set it up and then you should be done with it. It sounds like once I'm in Fortnite. You don't have to be in Fortnite to make it work, it works on anything. As you can tell, it sounds really nice and you can do it with any switch. And I'll be showing you more examples right now. Okay, next example I'm going to be doing is the creams. These are the same switches that Tfue uses. As you can see, it sounds very nice, but not as loud, but it's still very cool. But yeah, that's how you get to make your keyboard sound like any pro switches that they use. And yep, I hope you guys find this usable or good. Peace.